Hey there, ladies. We are saying goodbye to 2017 and hello to 2018. And we have gotten a lot of inquiries about the Jace deposit program, Jace Wig's deposit program. So I wanted to do a really quick run through so you guys can see how it works. So let's just get started. We're on jacewigs.com right now. And let's start with the Jace Wig Shop. All right, I want to show you something. Okay, so we're under the Jace Wig Shop tab. Do you see all of these hearts? Okay, what that means, if you see a wig with a heart, that wig is eligible for the deposit program. So you can select that wig and place it on deposit, right? If the wig does not have a heart, then it is not eligible for deposit. All right? Eligible, not eligible. Okay, so you're looking for the wigs that have the hearts. Okay, not eligible, eligible. All right, so that's in the Jace Wig Shop. Let's go to the Jace Create Your Own for those ladies who do want to create their own wigs. All right, Create Your Own wigs are eligible. They are eligible for the wig deposit program. Okay. What's this asterisk mean? The asterisk means 10-inch Create Your Own wigs and shorter are excluded from the wig deposit program. So the and shorter just means we start at 10-inch now. In the future, we may add an 8-inch or 6-inch, wig option there. But for right now, you would select 12 inches and longer if you want to place your wig on deposit. Okay, let's go ahead and reserve a wig. All right, so it's going to take you to the Wig Reservation Form. Let's say, I don't know if this is anyone's email address. Let me just put a bunch of numbers in there. I don't want to put anyone's real email address in there. All right, so let's call her Tina Doe. All right, and have we ordered from Jace? Let's say yes. It's going to take you to the information page for the Jace Wig deposits. Okay, goes through just what we showed. We're going to select the wig that's 12 inches or longer, or the wig that has a heart. All right, and then this, very important, this is your deposit code. 50% deposit. When you enter this in your shopping cart, it allows you to pay 50% down. All right, it's not a coupon code. Does not constitute, I have to correct that. That is a misspelling. Constitute a complete purchase. This is a deposit only. All right. Also on this page, you've got details of the wig reservation agreement. You can click on that. It just gives some bullet pointed, kind of nitty gritty information, which is great to view. And then if there's any coupon codes running that the deposit wigs are included in, you'll find that there, or in an email if we send it that way. Okay, let's go ahead and put the wig in on deposit. Let's select, I don't know, let's click on lavender. All right, $4.25 for lavender. Add the combs is $5. I'm just going to say no combs just to keep the numbers even. So $4.25 is lavender. Let's add her to our cart. Okay, so there's lavender, $4.25. Let's enter the code, 50% deposit. Let's apply that. Boom. All right. So $4.25, we've applied our deposit down code, and now you're paying $212.50 as your 50% deposit. And then, of course, you're shipping whatever you're shipping. I did not add shipping here. So you're going to pay your 50% down plus your shipping. Okay. And it's literally as simple as that. So once you place your deposit, shortly thereafter, you'll receive an email from the Jace team with your wig deposit info. It'll show what you've paid and what your balance is and when it's due. So you'll have a really clear picture right there of what's coming ahead. And then as you get closer to your 45-day mark, we'll send you an invoice with a reminder, and you can pay that via your PayPal balance or credit card. That's simple. So I hope that this has helped you guys. But it's super simple. Like I said, 50% down, and you are definitely on your way. So love you guys. Take care.